Zion's calling us under the starlit night. Canyons rise high with rivers so clear, chasing the adventure, the wild frontier. Zion bound, where the wild runs free. Tall canyons and rivers where we wanna be. Hide the narrows, cool water flows. Live in the dream where the red rock glows. Angels landing staring, are you crazy or bold? Scaling those heights, a sight to behold. Camping under stars, biking the trails, in Zion's heart, where every step prevails. Zion bound, where the wild runs free. Tall canyons and rivers where we wanna be. Hide the narrows, cool water flows. Live in the dream where the red rock glows. From sunrise to sunset, colors ablaze. In Zion's beauty, we're lost in a daze. Cliffs reaching high, touching the sky. In this paradise, we're flying high. Zion bound, where the wild runs free. Tall canyons and rivers where we wanna be. Hide the narrows, cool water flows. Live in the dream where the red rock glows. Pack up the RV, let's hit the road. To Zion's wonders our spirits flow. With every step and every sight, Zion adventure in the morning light. Angels landing, staring, are you crazy or bold? Scaling those heights, a sight to behold. Camping under stars, biking the trails. In Zion's heart, where every step remains. Live in the dream, where the red